my channel. Please ignore my hair, it's been pre-pooing for about 20 minutes. If you're new to this channel, my name is Emma, and on this channel I get to share general information on natural hair care that could help you in your natural hair journey. So if you think this is content you might like, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it so you don't miss out on weekly content. Now that has been said and done, let's get right on to what this video is about. In today's video, which is the second episode of the Wash Day series, I show you guys how to effectively cleanse your hair using a shampoo. Now, if you're just joining us, this is a Wash Day series where in every episode I show you guys how to do one of the basic steps in a wash day routine. If you haven't watched the first episode, which was the pre-poo phase, please endeavor to watch that so you can follow through. In today's episode, I am using the Aunt Jackie's Also Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo, and this is what it looks like. It is like it has like a yellowish, goldish, shimmerish look to it, and it smells absolutely nice, and it is definitely moisturizing and softening. Now, what I do for my shampooing process is I mix in some water in this mustard squeeze bottle that I absolutely love. The nozzle is quite wider than usual applicator bottles, so I am absolutely obsessed with this. Anyway, I mix water and my shampoo in it. Honestly guys, I don't measure this. I just put the water slightly above half or just about half, and then pump in some shampoo inside, and then sometimes I add in some essential oils, most often peppermint and a lemongrass, or one of the two. So you can use whatever essential oils that you want. If you're not into essential oils, that's fine. You can just do this process and it will be just as effective. You always want to remember that cleansing your hair is a very important aspect of your natural hair journey. You want your scalp and hair continuously cleansed, just so that it has a healthy environment to promote good and healthy growth. So now that you know what we need to do, let's get right on to this.
Okay guys, so I shampoo in twists to prevent my strands from tangling, and the first thing I do is to rinse out whatever people I have in my hair. I also use warm water for this, but warm enough to lift up any product buildup and to open my hair follicles in preparation for a deep cleanse. Once that is done, I go in with my diluted shampoo mix and I apply this to my scalp. Now people, not your strands, people, your scalp. And I start to massage. You want to be gentle on your scalp, so try to avoid using your nails. Instead, use the pads of your fingers. So basically, don't scratch, just rub. Take your time, but be gentle. I also kind of pull my twists and then massage my scalp. This will help keep your strands stretched so they don't get retangled. Once that is done, I rinse out, and as you can see, the lather would run down through your strands, and that's enough to cleanse your strands. I rinse out each side and just gently squeeze out any excess water and lather. And I repeat the same process a second time. I personally don't find this to be too much for me, especially when I'm using a moisturizing shampoo. I have oily scalp, so I just always want to ensure that any product buildup or sebum overload is properly washed out. So if you feel this is too much for you, by all means you can skip the second application. Just remember to do what works for you. Once this is done, I take my time to rinse my hair, ensuring I get all of the shampoo in my hair out. And this takes a while, but you really want your hair properly rinsed out and ready for deep conditioning. You also don't want a mixture of shampoo and deep conditioner in your hair, because that will be really harmful. So take all the time you need and just ensure that your hair is properly rinsed out. My entire shampoo routine is done with warm water from start to finish, because I need my follicles open and just so that my deep conditioner can penetrate and deeply moisturize my hair. Once I am done, I use an old t-shirt to wrap my hair and I secure it with a band, just basically until I'm ready to deep condition. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.